In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a 15-character ID to an 18-character ID. This quick process will take us just about 5 minutes and can be incredibly useful if you're dealing with Salesforce data. Whether you're streamlining processes within Salesforce or ensuring compatibility with external systems, mastering this conversion is a valuable skill to have in your toolkit. To get started, let's head over to Salesforce. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard and click on the gear icon to open the Setup menu. This is your main hub for all configuration settings within Salesforce. Once you're in Setup, use the search bar to look for the Object Manager. This handy tool will help you manage the data structures you're working with. Now that we're in the Object Manager, the next step is to select the specific object you wish to modify. This could be anything from contacts, opportunities, accounts, or any other custom object you have set up. It's important to select the appropriate object, as this is where you'll apply the ID conversion. With your object selected, look for the Fields and Relationships option on the left-hand side. This section is where you manage and create the fields for your object. Click on it to open up the Field Management area. Next, it's time to click the New button to create our new field. For this conversion process, we need to add a new field that will utilize a formula to extend our 15-character ID to the full 18 characters. When prompted for the type of field, choose Formula. A formula field allows us to apply a dynamic calculation that will automatically update based on our inputs. Once you've selected Formula, the system will ask you to specify the output type. Choose Text for this because we're working with alphanumeric characters rather than numerical values. After selecting these field characteristics, click Next to proceed. This will take you to the formula entry screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to paste in the specific formula for converting the ID. The formula is designed to add a 3-character suffix to your 15-character ID, making it compatible with Salesforce's 18-character system. After you've pasted your formula into the text box, double-check it for accuracy, as any errors could prevent the field from functioning correctly. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Save to finalize the creation of your new field. And that's it. You've successfully created a mechanism to convert 15-character IDs to 18-character IDs in Salesforce. This new field will automatically generate the extended IDs, making it a seamless addition to your Salesforce administration tasks. Remember that while the process is straightforward, attention to detail is key to ensuring everything works smoothly. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more Salesforce tips and tricks.